Jordan, steal. No basket. Put back, wala pa rin. Defensive rebound na yan. Para sa White. Pass big, low post. Sit down, 2 points. Patrick jersey number 9. In the left wing. Penetrate, pushing through, takes and pop. No basket. Put back in jersey number 7 of the jersey number 10 at jersey number 16. On the right wing, jersey number 77 of the knee. Yung offensive rebound pa rin niya. Basket down. Score pass with jersey number 6. Yun ang last steal. With jersey number 8, pass break. At pinapitaan sa double shot of the glass. Connect 2 points. Yeah, Ali. Nakakasagad shot lock down to the wing. Steal. Break away ang double shot. Easy 2 points. Jackson shoot. Ang double shot. Going. On the left wing, atake sa baseline. Denied. Pull up. Off the ring. Tinapik ang bola na ako sa isyan. Pass break kay Yaya. Drop pass lang. Basket. On the left wing, pass to Yaya. Penetrate, pushing through, drop pass lang. Atake sa baseline, connect 2 points. Aking Magno. Drop pass sa 7. Connects 2 points of the glass. This first period, Yaya. This starter para sa block. Hinakaras agad. Going for 3. Connects 3 points. Pass to jersey number 32. Kick out sa 42. Ese, Rendon. Going for 3. Connects 3 points. Counter 3. 10 seconds. Dying seconds. 5. Pull up. Shoot. Put back. Put back ng 16. End of the first period. Second period. Next out of possession. White. Yaya receiving the ball. Para sa block. Higit na. Yan na. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Offensive rebound na put back ng 32. 11 seconds to shoot. Atake 16. Pushing through layup. Basket. Aim for 3 Ali. Off the ring. Atake sa baseline. Connects 2 points. Ali. Okay, turnover yan. Sa block. 13. Connects 2 points. Para sa White, atake ang 7. Aim for 3. And throw sa foul. Basket. Atake Magno. Pull up. 2 points by Magno. Atake ngayon. Atake ang big man. Basket. 2 points. 10 seconds. Rendon. Pushing through. No basket. Dying seconds. Aim for 3. End of the first up. Next out of possession. White. Inward pass sa 7. Kick out. Akin 9. Pull up. Mid-range Jay. Basket. Penetrate Ali. Pull up on the side. No basket. Defensive rebound yan ng 26. Pass break yan sa 16. Break away. 2 points na agad. 6. Drop pass deflected by Ali. Nakuha ni Yaya. Perimeter shot. Basket by Yaya. Super to number 6. Connects 2 points. Perimeter. 50. Pass break ng 6. Atake sa baseline. And throw sa foul. Basket count. Okay, double 7 all the way to the hoop. Basket. for 3 of the ring. Defensive rebound stay. 2-1 situation. Pass to Yaya. Of the glass. The next super. Sa lopos ang pasa. Hinaaras ang preso. Nakapenetrate. Kita ang perimeter shot. Basket. May Magna. 42-40. Magna. Engaging all the way. Connects 2 points. Less than 2 minutes. Ooh. Nakasave pa. Pass. Jersey number 13. Layup. No basket. Defensive rebound. Yaya. At jersey number 13. Camilla. No basket. Attacking. This is Ace. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. And block breaks the tie. 44-42. Shooting the ball. 1 minute. Pull up. No basket. Walang 13. Wala pa rin ang pala. Binaksak ulit. Another effect ng 13. The next 2 points. Another deadlock. 44-all. Yes. Sa baseline. Basket. One out of 2. Dying seconds. Shot clock off. 15 seconds. Young. Dying seconds, 5 seconds. Aim for 3. The third period. Quarter. 46-45. Aim for 3. Catch and shoot, no basket. Lakuan ni Yaya. Naharas si Yaya na sigota. Penetrate si Yaya. Perimeter shot. Connects 2 points. Yaya. Shot lock. Down to 8. Inward pass. Catch and shoot. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Takay Cheque. Drop pass yan sa 50 yan. Deny. Pass to Ali. 3-2 situation. Nakatake si Ali. Naipit sa dalawa. Pasag lang sa 13. Basket. Shot clock 14. Pass to Ali. 7. Perimeter shot. Basket. Medalyon. Bakit si Medalyon penetrate all the way off the glass. Input, no basket. Defensive rebound niya ng 0. Pass to Sarmiento all the way layup. Basket. Off the ring. Defensive rebound yan. Medalyon. Drop pass na si Yaya. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Atake si Ali, coast to coast, layup, shoot! Wala pa rin ang follow-up shot and foul. Jersey number 9, a push. Basket. Basket again, 2 for 2. Shot lock down to 11. Aim for 3. Found in. Kaya agad-agad. Oh, steal! Casimiro, 2-1. Drop off si Yaya. Basket. I'm out wide. Ali. Hinaharap ka agad ni Bugat. basket and a foul. Basket count, nasa foul. Nakarating ang 6. Ito yun. Aso Yaya. Uy, nalibre yung 26 doon. Basket. Kwenta. Foul. Yes. Locked in. Shot clock counting down. Foul. Basket down. First row. Naras na agad ang distribution. Foul! Time out na. Time out. Block. Aim for 3 of the ring. Offensive rebound na si Wena. Si jersey number 7, aim for 3. Shoot. Offensive rebound Yaya. And foul. Walang binasket yan. Dying second. Shot clock off. Ali. Steal. Dying second. And of the ball game.